Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Bobier Elementary School in Vista, California, and I got to visit the students, part of the AM/PM program again, after school program, and grades TK through 5, but just another amazing afternoon. We focused today on leadership, turn our passion into our purpose, right? That we use our gifts, our talents, our abilities, our skills, things that make us come alive, our passions inside our hearts, that fire in our bellies to go and help other people around us, right? That we turn our passion into our purpose. And our purpose, is to really think about what are we doing for others? Just like Dr. King asked that very important question many years ago, is to always think about, that every small action, no matter how small, can make a huge difference. And that we still have that power to make a huge difference even at a young age. And to really instill that message in these students and in their minds and in their hearts today was what I was trying to accomplish. And I feel that we did, because a lot of them came up and said, Mr. Peace, you always just keep touching my heart. I've been here multiple times now. Still have one more visit next school year in 2024 when I come back for another return visit on a different topic. But for today, they really did take it to heart. And we always reiterate the M on all of our palms, right? The lines on our hands, we all have at least one on each hand. We have the letter M. I trace one of mine here. And that M stands for miracle, right? Upside down, W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to give it and receive it. And there's no right way or wrong way to be a leader, right? As long as we're doing something for others, that's very positive. That's why I wear this shirt, but this assembly has different colors because there's so many different ways to be a leader, right? We also see that the heart is kind of the shape of this multicolored peace sign because, again, that's where our passion lies, where it starts. And we have to know that, again, part of our true purpose is what are we doing for others, but also understanding that, the most important days in our life, like Mark Twain said, a famous author, is the day that you're born, the day you find out why. And part of our why are the people that are in our lives, right? That we're putting people first, things second. We're not just doing things for the trophy or to get paid or get a big award. We're doing it because it's the right thing to do, even when no one's watching. And always thinking about our legacy, what we want to be remembered for, hopefully like someone's helping hands and like a bowling ball that I always talk about too, someone with strong character, strong morals, strong values, and really puts others ahead of themselves. So thanks again for touching my heart. You're all beautiful. Have a great rest of 2023. We'll see you again in a few months, in April of next year. And can't wait to be back and keep sharing my heart, keep growing, keep building on what we've already talked about. It's always fun to see the growth, in all the students and staff when I get to visit these campuses. As always, make sure that the subscribe button you see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.